Okay, so division of whole numbers by fraction and vice versa. So, in this case, so meron tayo ditong dalawang case. So, inuna ko muna yung first case. Okay. So, bali, meron kayong dalawang pwedeng ma-encounter dito. So, which is, pinapakita ko naman kung ano yung mga steps regarding sa mga cases. So, madali lang to since reciprocal and may konting dinagdag lang din. So, to divide a whole number by a fraction, so whole number by a fraction. So, first we will express the whole number as a fraction. So, use number 1 as a denominator. So, for example, meron tayo dito. So, 12 divide 3/4. So, ang sabi, express the whole number as a fraction. So, 12 will become 12 over 1. Ganyan siya. 'Di ba? And then, so ito yung first step. Ito yung ating ginawa. Then, 3/4. So, kinopy lang natin. So, next is, get the reciprocal of the fraction. So, yung second fraction, yung ating i-reciprocal. So, 12 over 1. Then, ang magiging process natin is multiplication since ni-reciprocal na natin siya. So, therefore, meron tayong 4/3. Yan, 4/3. And then, we will multiply the fraction now. Then, simplify the fraction if needed. So, yon. And then, makukuha na natin yung final answer. So, using the cancellation method, mas napapadali natin yung pag-multiply ng fraction. So, 4 and 1, hindi siya pwedeng gamitan ng cancellation method, but the 12 and 3 is pwede. So, by number 3. So, cancel. So, 12 divide 3, we have here 4. And then 3 divide 3, we have here 1. So, the answer is 4 times 4, we have here 16. Then 1 times 1, we have here 1. And then sabi, simplify your answer if needed, or kung pwede siyang i-simplify, isi-simplify natin siya. So, 16 over 1, or automatic, this is 16 whole number. So, yun lang yung steps regarding sa first case natin. So, to divide a whole number. So, kapag nakita yung whole number, ito yung magiging process by fraction. So, another example. So, meron naman tayo ditong 20 divide over 2/5. So, is equals. So, ang sabi, gawin daw muna nating fraction si whole number, which is yung 20. So, 20 over 1. So, gagamitin palagi yung number 1 as a denominator. So, kapag andito yun sa pwestong na yan. So, next, divide by 3/4. Okay, so next is reciprocal diffraction or yung second fraction. So, 20 over 1 times the reciprocal, which is, mali tayo. Bakit 3/4? This is 2/5. Okay, so wait lang. Aayusin lang natin. Dapat 2/5 yan. Na mislook na naman ni sir. Ayun, nabura na nga ni Sir Alfie. So, binura ko. So, pasensya na mislook. So, ulitin natin. So, first step is you will express the whole number as a fraction, which is gagamit tayo ng whole number na 1. So, ito siya. And then, kakopyahin lang natin yung given, which is the 2/5. So, yun. 2/5. And then, ang sabi, the next step is get the reciprocal of the fraction. So, ang i-reciprocal natin is yung second fraction. So, magiging 5 over 2. Yan. So, and the next step is i-multiply na natin yung ating fraction. So, cancellation method pa rin tayo. So, 20 and 2, pwede siyang makancel by 2. So, 20 divide 2, we have here 10. And then 2 divide 2, we have here 1. So, kapag minultiply na natin, so 10 times 5, we have here 50. And then 1 times 1, we have here 1. Then simplify. Therefore, meron tayong 50 na whole number. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. Division of whole numbers by fraction and vice versa. Yon. Okay, so this is the other case regarding in division of whole numbers by fraction and vice versa. So, this case is, kung mapapansin nyo, andito yung whole number natin kanina. Ngayon, nakabaligtad, which is andito naman yung ating whole number. So, in this case, so kapag ganitong case, to divide a fraction by a whole number, so ang una naman natin gagawin is get the reciprocal of a whole number. So, paano nga ba natin makukuha yung reciprocal? So, automatic, kapag meron tayong whole number, the denominator is 1. So, for example, meron tayo kagad na denominator 1 dito. Therefore, kapag kinuha na natin yung reciprocal ni whole number, magiging 1/3 siya. So, if isusulat natin siya into an equation or kung ano, we have here 9 over 10. 9 over 10. So, adjust muna ako. So, 9 over 10 times the 1/3, which is the reciprocal ng ating whole number. So, next, multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of the whole number. So, i-multiply na natin yung ating fraction. So, binaliktad na natin, which is the reciprocal, and then pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. So, using the cancellation method, pwedeng mas mapadali yung ating pagmumultiply. So, 9 and 3 have a common factor. Therefore, pwede natin siyang i-multiply or gamitan ng cancellation method rather. So, cancel. So, 9 divide 3, we have here 3. And 3 divide 3, we have here 1. Okay. So, next step is we will now multiply the fraction. So, mas madali na natin siyang mamumultiply since mababa na yung ating numbers. So, 3 times 1, we have here 3. And then, 10 times 1, we have here 10. Okay, so express the answer in simplest form or in lowest term. So, if it is possible to lowest term the product or the quotient, so easy simplify natin. But since 310 is hindi siya pwedeng masimplify, therefore our final answer is 3 over 10. Yan. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, para mas maintindihan natin, let's have another example. So, meron naman ako ditong 3 over 10. So, divide by 6. So, first is gagawin nga daw yung reciprocal. So, which automatic na meron na kagad tayo ditong denominator 1. So, i-reciprocal lang natin itong si 6 over 1. So, 3 over 10 times the reciprocal of the whole number, which is the 1/6. So, yon. And then, apply cancellation method kung pwede. So, 3 and 6 have common factors by 3. So, 3 cancel, 6 and cancel. So, 3 divide 3, we have here 1, and 6 divide 3, we have here 2. Next is we will now multiply the fraction. So, 1 times 1, we have here 1. And 10 times 2, we have here 20. Therefore, our final answer is 1 over 20 since hindi na siya pwedeng masimplify or ma-reduce into lowest term. So, yan yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. So, hope na ma-identify nyo, ma-analyze nyo, at huwag kakalimutan. So, napakadali lang, division of fraction. So, yon.